Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on NYT Games account. So let's get started. First of all, open up your NYT Games application and make sure to log in first. Now from the home page, click on your human icon at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings tab where you'll need to click on manage your account. You will then be taken to the account information tab where you'll need to click update right next to email address. Now enter the new email in the first text box that you want to change to. While entering the email, make sure you enter the email that you have access to. On the next field where it says password, enter your account's password for your current account and finally click on save. Now, you will then be able to change your email address. You can now use your new email to log into your account when prompted. That is how you can easily change your email to a different one on NYT Games account. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.